Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain how to offer gift with purchase in Shopify. So Shopify doesn't have a limit in gift with purchase features, but you can easily set it up using a automatic discount or cart condition, and some cases even without app. The easiest no code method is by using automatic discount to offer a free product as a gift when certain conditions are met. For example, go to Shopify admin, then click on discount, then from there click on create discount, then click on automatic discount, then set up a rules like spend $50 and get a free gift. However, Shopify automatic discount only apply to percentage of fixed discount amount, so no actual free product addition. So this work for monetary discounts but not for gifting product automatically. The physical has have free gift to the cart when customers meet a condition like spending certain amount. You will need a typical use of free gift app like Giftbox by Digis Motis under automate offer specials offer, then a free gift by Secom app. So this app automates the process of adding gift products to cart and ensure it's free when the customer's quality. No code is needed. You just define the rules and the app handle the rest.